kind of came to the conclusion that there's like three pillars of career happiness. One of those pillars is like working at a company that kind of has a hole that is your shape. I think when you have, for me, it's like a Tido shaped hole. For instance, when I went to Segment, like Segment was taking off like crazy from a product market fit perspective, but like couldn't hire engineers to like save their lives, quite frankly. And that was like the key bottleneck in the business. And so it was like, okay, I've spent my entire career figuring out how to like hire world-class engineers at Facebook and Dropbox. Like that is what I'm really good at. And so I want to bring that skill to a company that really, really needs it. And sure enough, my ability to go hire fixed a lot of like the core infrastructure problems we were having in this was like the early Series B days, and really propelled us to the next phase of the journey. So I think if you can find a company that really has like a hole that is your shape, that's a great pillar. Second pillar is the management chain, I would almost say, above you. A lot of folks like talk about like working with great people, and I think that is really important. But for me, I've found that if I have a manager or a manager's manager or kind of anywhere up in the chain that's like either broken or not aligned to like how I see the world, it's just a very frustrating existence at a company. And then the third thing, I've kind of framed it as like a life-changing outcome. I've seen a lot of people sort of obsess about, salaries and, this 5K here or this signing bonus or whatever it is. What I've found though is if you are an A player that is going to bring like 110% every single day, it's really helpful to be working towards something that could be life-changing. And so I think often just, thinking through what is that life-changing outcome for me, and that helps you pick like a risk-reward profile. So like how early stage kind of high risk do I want versus how much sort of steadiness do I want? But I think really envisioning that life-changing outcome is kind of the third pillar. I think those three pillars like lead to extreme happiness. I think if you have two of the three, you're actually usually fairly happy. And then when you kind of start having like 1.5 or one out of those three, might be time to transition.